What homeowner mistakes shorten HVAC lifespan? The biggest mistakes are skipping maintenance, using clogged filters, ignoring warning signs, choosing the wrong thermostat settings, and blocking airflow. A dirty filter makes the system work harder because less air can pass through it, which can overheat the furnace or strain the air conditioner. Check the filter every month and replace it when it looks dusty, or follow the equipment maker's instructions. Many homes need a filter change every 1 to 3 months, but homes with pets, allergies, or renovations may need changes more often. Another mistake is waiting until the system breaks before scheduling professional maintenance. A technician can clean coils, check electrical connections, test safety controls, and measure refrigerant, helping find small problems before they become expensive damage. Keep furniture, curtains, boxes, and rugs away from supply vents and return grills so air can move freely. Setting the thermostat extremely low in summer does not cool the home faster. It only makes the system run longer, so use a steady, reasonable setting instead. One lesser-known issue is closing too many vents, because it can raise pressure inside the ducts and stress the blower. Do not ignore strange noises, weak airflow, burning smells, water leaks, or short cycling. Turn the system off when there is a safety concern and call a qualified technician. Do not pour harsh chemicals into an air conditioner drain because they can damage parts or create unsafe fumes. Use the recommended cleaning method. Do not install a filter that is too restrictive for your equipment just because its rating is higher, since excessive resistance can reduce airflow. Check the system instructions or ask a professional. Finally, never skip outdoor unit care by allowing leaves, grass, or weeds to cover it. Gently clear the area and leave open space around the unit. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.